Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. These are the top 3 troubleshooting steps every user should take when diagnosing problems on their computer. The first thing you should do is keep up on your Windows updates if you're running a Windows PC. Even if you're not, Mac updates are a little bit more problematic in that sometimes they're not always backwards compatible. But with your Windows PC, it's very easy. Right-click on your Windows icon. Click on System. In your column here, go ahead and click on Windows Update and check for updates if you're not already up to date. And allow them to download and install each one of those updates. Really easy. First thing you need to do. Now, the next best thing to updates is to clear your cookies and your cache. This improves the overall performance of your browsing experience by removing those temp files. The first thing you're going to do is click on those chevrons in the upper right-hand corner and then click on Settings. After you click on Settings on the Google browser, and actually in the Edge now, because it is also a Chromium-based browser, look at Privacy and Settings, and then under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. You can go through the basic and advanced. You can clear all kinds of things. Just check off the things that you need. The most problematic ones or the most common ones are already going to be selected, and you just clear the data. And that's that. Now, when it comes to this last tech tip, when it comes to antivirus software, it is the necessary evil that we all hate, but we must have. I don't really have a dog in this fight when it comes to this particular program segment, but really pick one, use it, get used to using it, and work with its quirks. It is better to have some form of antivirus program on your computer than none at all. This day and age, nothing good can come from a PC that doesn't have antivirus protection on it. Now, with that said, I'm not going to get into it. There's a list on the screen. I'll leave some links on the bottom. My preference is not to pay a whole bunch of money to those programs that obsessively prompt you to purchase more. I hate it. With that said, leave your likes and your comments below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you very, very soon.